Yo, what's up? Hello Stephen, and congratulations on your 70th birthday. You and I were at Kingham, and I would say we're best friends. But where has the time gone? You're 70. I can't believe it. But we're still here, and as you see, put a nice background for you because I live in Stoke-on-Trent. So let me say once again, happy birthday. It's been wonderful getting in touch with you again and being asked to record this little snippet for you, which I just don't know what to say except congratulations and wonderful. You're 70, so that's terrific, and we hope that in due course we will meet and make a new friendship and getting that going again.